airplane mode.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard to Cebu Pacific, flight number 3J570 to Manila, Philippines. This is your captain speaking, Captain Franz Reniel A. Gardueña, joined with First Officer Basil Roque, and we're looking forward to a smooth and enjoyable flight with you all. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight crew, headed by Captain Asnar, with First Officer Pimentel, and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice. Kakalapag lamang po natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Manila. Sa ngalan po na bumubuo ng lipad na ito na pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Asnar sa tulong ng unang opisyal, Pimentel, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa patuloy na pagsakay at pagtangkilik sa Cebu Pacific. Maligayang pagdating. And I thank you.